Okay, we're back to this other question. That is to show that the integral from 0 to 2 of x into what square root of 1 plus x squared dx is equal to this. This integral is quite easy. Do you know why? If you look at what is inside here, if you differentiate this, we are going to have a 2x. Okay, let's just a 2x, and the 2x is going to remove this x here. That will make it easier to integrate now u to the power half, something like that. Okay, are you seeing it? Let's take it. We can say that u, by using substitution, u is equals to what? 1 plus x squared. Don't go and say that u is equals to the square root of 1 plus x. So that will take you a lot of time to do it, and you're going to mess up at the point. Take it easy. Okay, u is equals to 1 plus x squared. Therefore, du all over dx is equals to what? 2x. Automatically, hence, which implies dx is equals to what? We do du all over 2x. If you substitute here, we are going to have an integral. At this point, don't put again 0 to 2. No, since we have changed the variable to u, we are going to put from a to b. It's equals to what? We keep the x here. How you ask yourself this x mean what here? Just keep it for the for a y. U to the power what? To the square root of that is with power half. Dx is du all over 2x. Hence, at this point, this and this man will cancel, and you're going to be left with what? Half integral of a to b of what? U to the power half du. We know that from principle of integration, that is by power whole, that first principle, we have integral of a to the n dx is equal to what? A to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus a constant c. But in this our case, we are not going to put a constant because this integral is bounded, having boundaries. We put a k because we don't know the boundaries of it. So that in case this was originating from 2x plus 1 and we differentiate, I'm going to be left with 2. If you integrate 2, you are going to have 2x. But what about this one? That is why we put a k representing this arbitrary number that will be maybe 1. Okay, at this point, we have this as our answer. Hence, we can integrate this to have what? That will be half u to the power half plus 1 all over half plus 1. We have the range from a to b. That will be equal to what? Half plus 1. The weight that will be 2. That will be 1 plus 2. That will be 3 on 2. Okay, 3 on 2. The 3 on 2. Okay. That will be u to the power 3 on 2 divided by 3 all over 2. This man and this man will go. We have what? We are going to be left with u to the power 3 on 2 all that divided by Mr. 2. All that divided by 3. Sorry. We change this. Okay. This can be represented as what? Okay. With range a to b. We can then remove this one and substitute back our u. 1 plus x squared. That will be what? 1 plus x squared. This one will be the square root. All that cube all over 3 with range from 0 to this man. Okay. We can erase at this point. Just do something. And substitute here. When you have the range like ax, you have the range from 2 to 4. To find for it, that will be a into 4 minus a into 2. When you concern integration, hence that will be what? Square root of 1 plus x. That will be square root of 1. What's our x here? The first one, that is 2 plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 all over 3. All that cube. The cube is ending up here, please. Cube minus that will be 0. 0 here will be 0. Here you have 1. Cube there is 1. Okay. 1/3. Okay. Hope you understand what's happening. We have 1/3. Okay. Now we can proceed to have what? We can bring out this 1/3 to have what? 1 plus that is root 5 cube over 3 minus 1/3 minus 1, so okay, here is this 5 minus this. Let's erase here. We're already having what's outside. Our main objective now is to have what's inside here. You know that 5 root 5 all that cube, the same thing as what? Root 5 all that square times what? Root 5. From basic law of indices, a to the power a to the power maybe 5 is equals to a to the power 4 times a to the power 1 by addition. Okay, or a to the power 4 plus 1, we bring it there. It's actually the same thing we're going to apply here. To have 5 square is what? Root of 5 square is 5. This one root 5. Hence, I'm going to have what at the end? 1/3 into 5 root 5 minus 1. And QDB. Finally, you did it correctly. That's a better solution. Okay, let's continue with the next question.